Transferring to Wealthfront investing is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that offers low-cost and diversified investment portfolios. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Wealthfront website or mobile app. First, navigate to the Wealthfront website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. You will also need to create a password and answer a few security questions. Once your account is created, you will need to fund it by transferring money from your bank account. You can do this by linking your bank account to Wealthfront and initiating a transfer. This process typically takes a few days to complete. Next, you will need to choose your investment portfolio. Wealthfront offers a range of portfolios to choose from, including a tax-optimized portfolio and a socially responsible portfolio. You can choose the portfolio that best aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you have an existing investment account at another institution, you can also transfer those assets to Wealthfront. This process is called an account transfer, and it can be initiated on the Wealthfront website. You will need to provide the account information for the institution you are transferring from, and Wealthfront will handle the rest. It is important to note that transferring assets from another institution may trigger tax implications, so it is a good idea to consult with a tax professional before making any changes to your investments. Wealthfront also offers a number of tools and resources to help you manage your investments, including a mobile app and a website with detailed information about your portfolio. They also offer tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax liability. Overall, transferring to Wealthfront investing is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and taking advantage of the tools and resources offered by Wealthfront, you can create a diversified investment portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals.